Welcome to Being Skilled. We are a skill development company focusing on skilling everyone who wants to acquire a new skill. So if you are a keen learner, Being Skilled is your place. With abundance of knowledge everywhere on the internet, be it the blogs, be it YouTube, the knowledge is largely unstructured and we are trying to build structured courses for everyone who wants to learn. Our tutorial focuses mainly on teaching a topic in the easiest and fastest possible way. Tutorials we are working on currently, since there are countless technologies and they are ever evolving, we are currently working on the tutorials of data visualization, so Tableau, Alteryx. For Linux, we have Linux Server Administration, VI Editor or Emacs Editor. For data analyzing, we are working on tutorials of Excel, LibreOffice Calc, and we are also working on tutorials of digital marketing. And we would like to thank you for your continuous support and sharing the valuable feedback of yours. The community, which started with 0 subscribers, has now 2100 plus subscribers. And the journey has been really long, and a lot more exciting things will be coming up shortly. And this is the screenshot of the last thank you video which we did in the month of February 2015.